So hello guys, today I'm going to show you what is HTML and why should we use it. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So to practice that, I have installed VS Code in my device. You can see here. If you haven't, then you should definitely use it. Like go to Chrome and search for VS Code and just download it from here. It is available for iOS and Linux also. So you don't have to worry about that, literally. Okay, so let's go here. So here I'm creating my first HTML file, that is first.html. This is an HTML file. So you have to keep in mind that all the HTML files are all the extension for HTML files are .html. You have to keep that in your mind. So in VS Code, we have a shortcut for HTML DOM. That is, if you press Shift and 1, it will show this, and you then press Enter. This is a basic HTML DOM actually. And by DOM, what I mean is document object model. Okay. And document object model, you can say, what is document object model? So document object model is what you see on the website, like all the buttons, all the images. These are all the part of DOM, document object model. Okay. So let me first oh, and one more thing, you should install one more extension. That is, I have to show you. The Go to extensions and search for live server. This you have to install that. This is already installed in my device, so I don't have to install it again. So let's start. First of all, this is the what you can see here. This is let me see if I have anything like that. Yes. This is the no, HTML DOM. Okay, this is HTML DOM. And to create a HTML file, this is the minimum requirement that we have right now. 1 minute. Let me see if I can remove it also. And for this, okay, 1 minute. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'll press it here. You can see go live. This is showing nothing because I haven't written anything in the code. So if I write like in the p tag, hello, and then save it, Control S, and then if I go to there, it will show hello. Okay, it will show it. 1 minute. I think I missed something here. Yes, you can see a hello here. Okay, so if I want to make it look big, what I can do is uh, write it under H1 tag. That is, if I write now hello, you can see it will be big. It is big. I don't know why it is showing so much. Okay. Yes, this is hello. Okay. Now, H1 tag means the largest font size. And if I do H2, it will be smaller. You can see here. So we have six H tag in HTML like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And H6 is the smallest of all of them. Then we have P tag. under p tag, what we do is write paragraphs. Like if I write random things here, like 30 words of random shit here, you can see it here. And one more thing, you can see it is showing document here. You can see document here. So what? How can we change it? So we can change it by writing this in here. Like I want to name it Omlan. That is my name. It will show Omlan. So you can change it under the title tag. What is written under the title tag? And okay, if you want to add image tag here, image here, image. Okay, an image tag doesn't have any closing tag. If you have to keep this in mind, like almost all the HTML tags have a closing tag, but some of them doesn't have one. Like image tag, BR tag, HR tag, there those doesn't have any closing tag. And by source I don't have any image right now here. So if you want to add an image, you can write the path here. Okay. And in alter, what we can write is, if the image doesn't load, what we can do is we can write something here. Like image should 1 minute should be here. Okay. You can see here image should be here and it is showing nothing because I haven't added any picture here previously. So now if you want to make something in bold, you have to write something in bold letters. You can use B tag. Like if I say my name here, Omlan, it is showing in bold. So now you can see a problem here. If I am writing something, like you can see here, 1 minute. Yes. I've written it under the image tag. Okay, the b tag is under image tag, but it is not showing on after one line. It is showing in one line. So what we can do is adding a br tag here. It will break it. You can remember it by saying break br tag. By br tag, what we can do is you can break it here. Okay, and then what does hr tag do? Yeah, we don't use hr tag anymore right now. But in HR tag, you can use like this. There will be a line crossing the screen. Yeah. So you have to memorize the uh, minimum, the structure of HTML should be in your mind. What is the structure of HTML? Like doc type HTML, then HTML tag starts. And under HTML tag, you should start head tag. And under head tag, you should write a title tag. If you don't want to use this portion, you cannot you it is on your choice. Actually those tags are for SEO purposes, but if you don't want to use it, it is on you. Okay, so and then under head tag you have to write title tag, and then after head tag you have to write body tag. Whatever you write under this will show in the HTML DOM, this portion. You know, you can imagine like if you are writing something under body tag, you are writing in this portion. Oh, the whole screen. The whole screen. One. If you are writing something here, 1 minute. This will be this should show in here. All the thing will be in here. Okay. Whatever you write under body tag, it will show here. It will show here. Then 1 minute. Okay. Then if you Some you have to want to write something in italic. You have I tag. Under I tag, I write homework. It will show in italic. You can explore more HTML tags, like you can go to look. Whatever I'm teaching you, it is already on the web. So if you are ever stuck in anything, just go to web and search it. Even the most experienced developers still use internet to do their work. Like you can see here HTML tags for fonts. There is a tag for fonts also. You can see here. P style color red. This is actually CSS. I'll teach it in the upcoming videos. Look, I don't want to I don't want to make HTML look big, because nowadays HTML is not used for all for the websites, because we have JavaScript right now and we can write everything in JSX. But to truly understand what is web and web development, you should learn HTML, because this is the you know first step towards web development. And this you can say this is the skeleton of an website. If you are writing something in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's it for today. In the next video, I'll start CSS, because in HTML there is nothing to show you that much. Okay, you can learn it on by yourself.